How to cancel direct debits on Barclays app. Now, in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to cancel any direct debits that you have on the Barclays application. First is open up the application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, for you to access all or to manage all your direct debits that you have, you just simply choose on Pay and Transfer. On the next page, what you want to have to do is choose on Scheduled Payments. And from there, just simply switch those field into your direct debits. Now, from the direct debits field, you will see all the details that you paid on any type of transaction using your direct debit. And then all you just have to do is to tap on this arrow pointing to your right, whatever details you would have or you would like to be deleted. And then on the next page, you will not have any other option than to choose on delete direct debit. And that is how you cancel direct debits in Barclays app.